Hi everybody, it's Judy at Fabulous Yarn. We're super excited. We're in our new studio and we have a new shawl. It's called the Splatter Paint Shawl by Shaina Bilow. And the yarn is by Yarn Snobs. It's their gorgeous fingering weight sock yarn. It's a super wash merino with a little bit of nylon. It has a lot of spring to it, about bounce. And they've bundled this into a kit for us in 3 colors. All the colorways in this beautiful shawl, which is mostly garter stitch, contrasting the solid with the multi. Very easy pattern, knit on the diagonal, and we have a tutorial on the website that goes into some detail about how to cast on and start the pattern. You got to pick up every stitch. It comes with 2 skeins of solid and a skein of happiness, which is Yarn Snobs' signature color, which is featured in the 100 color cowl and also in the massively huge Powerball yarn. This is 1,300 yards. It retails for $88. That's before our discounts. And it comes in 3 beautiful colorways. One is natural. That's the one you see knit up in the sample. It comes in black. This is also the colorway you can see on the 100 color cowl page, how these 2 pop when they're knit together. It's gorgeous. So that's happiness in black. And then of course the silver. That's why I'm wearing a silver wig in honor of this colorway, because I love it so much. It's so soft and beautiful. This silvery gray against the multis of happiness are just fantastic. So we know you need a new project. Everybody always does. And this is a wonderful knit. It's easy and it's fast, and we know you will love it. So go to the website, check it out, and thanks for watching.